Okay, that one started up. Hope you feeling good today though, Shadow. My daddy name is Aiden. I'll listen. We can start off with Rob Hill. Mm, 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 mm. This is not Rob Bill. Okay, excellent connection. Good. Let's try pizza them. I'm bleeding him. Just like seeing Creed and them up. Hey, bro, where my shiesty at? And bring some ice with that. I'm on God's time. Why this one ain't working? Oh, okay, it's working over there too. I was about to say, why it's not working? All right, so this is day 3 of trying to get better at coding and learning to code really with Python by coding every day for at least like an hour. And this is just stuff I'm doing on stream. You know, just in case I'm like miss course that day, at least I'm doing some type of coding for an hour. It said it took like what is it, 10,000 hours for a skill for you to get better at it, for you to master it or whatever. So 1 hour bare minimum. We'll get there eventually, right? Over some years or so, but we're gonna try to put more, of course, more work than that hour in. But that's just the bare minimum, to be honest. Rolling loud. All right. So, what was the last thing we were doing? We got about. All right. So we supposed to be making a taming. I'm still trying to really flesh it out. I did, like I said, I think I said that earlier today on a previous stream that for the longest I was wondering why it had so many errors. I don't know anything about dictionaries, but I did watch a little bit about, or learn a little about dictionaries last night. So I was missing a comma after all of these. So it gave me an error for everything, which is okay. But now we here. We got it going good. Um, I might steal this idea just exactly from um I might steal this idea directly from the prompt because we're learning and AI is supposed to be teaching us, not doing it for us, but just teaching us. So they gave us a couple of examples of making uh, cards using dictionaries. So I actually really like this one. This Beast Lure one. I think this is a really good one. Um, I think we're gonna rock with that. I think that's a good card. Gotta put the other curly bracket. I forgot to copy it when I copied and paste. So I probably change this stuff around though. Bonus percentage to tame or something. So we might have to do like bonus damage in the ones like what we got effect. We might have to put like an integer somewhere for this. Cause like this is it says 15, but then it say a bonus 15, a 100% to base taming. Then I'm trying to still think of how I'm gonna do the taming. I think maybe you'll just pick but then we gotta have, I feel like we have to have more animals than 10. as we're taming. Maybe we don't do the taming aspect. I don't know. Maybe it's just. Or we can do it like if you tame an animal, you get one of their cards. You start off picking a pack, and you can buy. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out as we go. All right, so we got that. I do like this as well. They actually got some good ideas. Wonder where they get like AI is crushing it. Because to be honest, this is a good idea too. Here, this is another one from AI. Deep focus draws 2 cards, and it takes like 0 points. Yeah, I think I like that. I think I like that. They had some other ones, but I'm not really. We got bleed. We got poison. We got crowd control. How many cards we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't want to sit here and make cards though, all because I want to start doing some other interesting stuff and then just come back to this. All right, so as we make cards, let's see how will we go about implementing this game. So it says how to use dictionaries. Once you have these dictionaries, you can easily access any item inside of them using a square bracket. I've learned about that a little bit. Damage value. Okay. Damage. Okay. By defining your card this way. Your game's function, like your play card function, to know exactly what to do. And okay. Well, so let's define play card. Let's see what's the next step. List for card management. Okay. A list in Python. Okay. Simple. Order a collection of items that could card word. First, and my glasses like filthy. I can barely even see. You want to set up your 3 main card lists? Yep, we will do that. All the cards? Yep. Player deck, player hand, and discard this discard pile. Sheesh. I was trying to say both of them at the same time. Our card is Quick Strike. All right. Just goes around, goes around, goes around. So we need like something like this. All cards. And then we need to make a list of all the cards. Then I know you can use a pen to add stuff to the list, but I'll probably just manually go and add them because just hold on, I want to skip this song. All right, so we got what is our cards we got? Got Bear Hug and Bear Bomb. Bear Hug, we got Bear Bomb. Got Bear Hug, nice. What else we got? Bear Bomb. I'll try to go in order. Bear Swipe, I believe. Bear swipe, no? Yeah. Gotta be like something else. Bear slap or something like that. Swipe kind of sound a little goofy. Mm-mm. Intimidation. I haven't got any more like steps today because, like I said, I passed out, and it was only really supposed to be for an hour, but I was over there. Hopefully, I don't have no slob on my face. I was over there sleeping good. We got Lions Roar. Lions Roar. What else we got? Snake Bite. I'm a maybe. We got Snake Bite. Eagle Eye. Eagle's Eye. Gator Roll. So right now we're just making a list for Gator Roll. It's amazing. Gator Roll Rest. I think that'll work. Rest. Card the rest. We got Beast Lure and Deep Focus. At some point I'm going over too far. I feel like I'm going over too far right now. I'm all that. I say Beast Lure and Deep Focus. Ooh. And hold on, my son just text me. All right, there we go. We got Beast Lure. Then we got Deep Focus. So we made our list. Yeah, let me see. All right, here we go. All right, so we got all our cards so far. Mm. Don't know what other card we want to put. We definitely need the I know we're gonna need import random for sure. Where is this a fish? Death brought me alive. Oh, we got import random. All right. All right, we got all our cards. Why is it skipping? Oh, okay. I mean, we don't have to have this space though. Pretty sure because oh no, we do. Wait, no, do we? Your grace is sufficient. I know this is in a body of all cards. This list. Not completely familiar if we have to indent that or not. All right, we got all our cards. Grace is sufficient. Mm. Okay, we gotta do that. See, we all right. So at some point, like I said, we're gonna have to have packs, and I think we gotta have to have plaques. I said plaques, packs. We got players deck. Mhm. And then it's like this would be, or like I said, we could start off the player with like the bear pack and go from there. Hmm. We'll leave that empty for now. Because it probably would depend on like. This is bigger. All right, I'm gonna have to text him back in a second. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Your death brought me alive. All right, so now we got. Oh, we got player deck. We need player's hand. We need their hand. So the cards they have in their hand. All right, so we got a list for all of that. I keep putting curly brackets. So we got a list for our player deck, which would be all the cards they have available to them. And I probably put a limit to that some type of way. Maybe not. Um, so they'll start off with like 5 cards, I guess. Maybe like I actually like they'll have to start off with like all right, like two cost cards, 3 one cost card, like so they have enough cards, but it'd be like random. So maybe like they'll get like 2 bear hugs. Like say they pick bear, they get like 2 bear hugs, 3 breast life, that's 5. Uh, and 3 bear bombs, maybe something like that. Maybe like 4, 3, 2. How does that look? 4, 3, that's 7, 9. Oh, I forgot that was intimidation. I will figure it out. Figure out exactly how we want to work that. All right, so we got that going. We want uh, players. Starting animal. Uh, 1, 2. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so now we're gonna have to do a random dot shuffle. I'm not even familiar with this module. Wait, I know random dots like choice. Wait. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, I might have a card that can also do this too, but this will happen at the beginning of every turn. Player, let's say deck. Player's deck, player deck, player's deck will shuffle before every encounter. How about we say encounter? Because we wanted to shuffle at the beginning of like every fight pretty much. Mm, 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 mm. And then we have it when they can buy like tame cards, maybe. Mm, one, two, mm, mm, mm. Pop method. Okay, I don't know about the pop method. Okay, drawing a card, the pop method. All right. This is the most crucial part of turn management. To draw card, you need to take a top card out of the player deck. Yes, that is what we need to do. Put that card into the player hand. Yes, that will be what we need to do. We can do this using the list dot pop. Okay, method, which removes and returns the item at a specific position. By default, the very last item in the list will treat as the top card deck. Okay, on your first wheel form. Okay, so we're gonna have the defined draw card. And it's saying we're gonna have the defined draw card using def. We know about the defining functions, but I just don't know about pop. I'm gonna look up dot pop because we're not when in doubt. You look at the documentation. Cheese and bread. I couldn't think of the name of it. It's probably used with list and sets to remove or return elements. Okay. The list dot pop index method removes the and return of the item at a specific index from the okay, that makes sense. Syntax list dot pop. Okay, optional. Okay. All right, it makes sense. Set pop. Okay. And this remove. For no instance, why the last remove. All right, let's see how Gemini wants us to do it. Oops. Mm. All right, it wants us to define draw card, which makes sense to me. Understandable. And we'll draw that from deck. Mm. And hand. Okay. Mm, mm. This is where you're drawing it from. Mm, mm. Or to be like player deck. No. Y'all this say baby. If when a fan. Okay. Something like. Mm, 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 mm. Have to let go. Just let me hold you, hold you. All right, if the player deck, if that list is greater than 0, so they're making an if statement and the body of that. Card to draw equals deck dot pop. Baby, your heart is safe with me. Then hand a pen. Okay. Hard to draw. All right. So this will add to our hand. Should this be called player hand? Mm-mm. All right. Fine. Port. We did that. We did that. Mm, 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 mm. Life's supposed to be. Hand out a panda. Card draw. So whatever card draw. We'll go to our hand. I was saying, is this supposed to be player? One problem in this file. I wonder what it is. We haven't forgot any. I know we don't have an else in here yet, but. Oh. Deck is empty. Or do we just call it player deck? I mean, that's what I'm trying to figure out. We're here. We just call it deck. Because we have a defined deck if we use that as parameter. Player deck. Player deck equals. Equals. Hmm, 0. Then we have to have it reshuffled. Do we put the random module on here? Because we're going to need like random shuffle. Will this be in the else? Will this just be in the define statement? Or will this actually be an else statement? Because we only want to do it, yeah, if we have 0. Display. Mm. Ah, maybe. Okay, we'll come back to that in a second. I don't think we had it. Oh no, we did add. We added 2 cards today, so that's good. I wonder what some lion moves could be. Oh, let's see. No, my movies moves. Mm. Hmm. We could make a really strong lion card. But we have to make that like 6 or 7. I think like uh Lion's Prey or something like that. Oh no, blood. Oh, you know what? I did have another card I want to add. Those would be just the support cards. Let me put these go be. This would be the dog pack. It would be called a pack attack. It sounds so it sounds so corny though, so cheese ballish. Pack attack? Pack attack. We're gonna have to come up with a different name because all right, this would be for the dog pack. This would be a dog move. We'll call it pack attack. I do remember putting a note for this, so I'm gonna have to take that out later. I did put a note for this to make sure that I wonder what's the error though right now. The cost would be yeah, I know we get my favorite placeholder right now is 2. So whenever I don't know right now, and I'm gonna add later. It's 2. It's 2, and then we'll make it. We'll change it later. Type will be when I when I. It will definitely be an attack card. Taking over me. All right. Okay. So how could I? I want this to be a multi-tack. Damage. See, this is a multi-attack too, bro. 4, 8, 12. I said I might increase it. I might increase it about 3 and I might increase it to 3 and 2. Cause this would be something like, oh, you know what? How about we put 1, right? And this does 2 damage, right? But it chains together. Like, do we have to put an effect in there? I think we do. Cause I just got it in descriptions right now, but I think we might have to come back and make some of these descriptions effects. Uh yeah, some of these descriptions might have to be effects. Can't think. Deals damage. Well, maybe we put like. 'Cause what's the other one? Cost cards. 2 damage and it's not doing. Got a bleed. That's the only one cost that we got here so far, besides a buff, a debuff. We got that small. 2 deal damage. Deals 2 damage. 2 damage. Do you put enemy deals 2 damage and chains other and allow you to play other pack. I need that like pack attack cards at other pack attack cards and players. But I don't want it to be too lengthy to read because this will be printed on the card. There's 2 damage and allows you in hand at 0 cost. We just say cost. We know this is energy. Nobody wanna die. I think that's good. Oh wait, I'm hopping out of. Need to figure out what's this. It's down here. Is it this? Let me see something real quick. Will this fix an error? No, this has made another error. Okay. Okay, that's the error. Then we can all smoke. So we can never be equal. Never. Never bite the hand that'll feed you. Never. Never fit man if he bleed too. Need to. And they'll leave you. And you can't see the devil because he see through. I think this will be called I think this will be called Venomous. Venomous, what was it? Venomous Strike. Oh, Strike, yes. Okay, there we go. I couldn't think of the name. Venomous Mm, mm, nobody wanna lose. All right, so at least we defined our today. We defined our like our player hands, all our cards. We still got. We gonna have to add this stuff back to like that list with all cards. Um, or what I might have to do is just make a list with different packs and see if you can put like a list inside of a list. Like make a list of different packs, like bear pack, and then make that a list with certain cards. Then like the snake pack, and make that a list of certain cards, and then see if I can add that to the all no like all cards. No, I don't know. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Man, I ain't going back. Man, I know where I came from. Mm, uh-uh. Man, I know I ain't the same one. To all that hurting. Man, I ain't going back. Uh, mm, 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 mm. It's definitely got to be a 3 or a 4. Because this is going to stack even more. This will be a attack. Oops. Addictions that I break. This is going to be a Tiant card. The damage. I think this would be 4 as well. Placeholder. I keep forgetting to put the commas. 4. Yeah, like I said, we probably have to I'll put that somewhere so I remember. It's the same one. These descriptions might have to come out to. I might have to put like effects too. I wonder if it like matter for the code description. Deals. Hmm. Deals 4 damage, just like snake bite. But this will apply. We apply an additional stack, and they both at the same. For each stack. Man, I ain't going back to all that pride and shame. Uh, listed under effects. It's not just the descriptions. I'll just put that note in there for me for later. Deal 4 damage. and apply. Just apply 2 stacks. 2 stacks. Uh, poison. And poison can just stack and stack and stack. Now we gotta have a percentage though. Poison normally doesn't like. It normally doesn't last a turn. Like you have to heal for that. Or at least not one turn. And has a 50% chance to apply 1 stack of poison for 1 turn. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Not spelled it around there again. The same. And this will this applies 2 stacks for sure for like 1 turn. Maybe just 2 turns. For 2 turns? Maybe. I'm thinking. Don't need a space in there yet. Probably need some periods over here. For the description that's going to be on the card. All right. No, we're not going for almost an hour. I'll be there for you. I'm not going alone. I'll be there for you. All right, we got another period here. Okay, I think it's looking good so far. We got a lot of stuff accomplished. This 3 hours of gaming. I mean, 3 hours of creating this game, and we got a few things done. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 cards. Oh my god. No, 13 cards. We've been doing like 4 or 5 every day. Need to create some more, man. We gonna get to 50 eventually. And pod. I want to know, can you put a list inside of another list? I'm gonna ask Google. Can you put a list inside another list? You might have to put in like a set or something. Another list Python. We gonna see. Yes, you can. So we'll have to make a list. So we need to make like bear pack, bear card pack. And then we make this like a list. Whoops. And then we list all of these. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. Bear, we already got hook. Let's get bomb. Yeah. Swipe. Yeah. Oh, intimidation. Intimidation. All right. I think that's what we got right now. And we can take this out of this pack and we go. If he ain't, let me know. Bear card pack. Nice. Then we can make a Lions card pack. Mm. All right. We put it equal, make a list. And the only thing we got so far on this pack is Lions World. We got to come up with some other stuff. Lions. I don't know what we could put in this joint though. Right now. I have to think of something. Okay, and then we got, and then this is just changed from Lions. That'd be card pack. Why isn't I popping up? Then we can do snake, and like I said, we can change that to the name of Python just because we learn in Python. Snake card pack. Snake bite. Oh, venomous strike too. Venomous strike. We did add that. Nice, nice, nice. Then I'll just try to group them by each other so I won't forget them. All right, so we got. Still need another bear. Got bear bomb. Don't need like a bear slam or something like that, because the bear bomb will pretty much be a slam. And from that we can take snake. Like out of this, this would be a list. But oh no, though. No, this might not work though either. Because we need all the players' cards too. But all the player cards won't be just all of these different packs. It'll equal to the pack. We'll figure that out later. All right, so we gonna keep just naming these different packs, and we'll worry about it later. Eagle card. Studio. I see you from the booth. You were buying a brand new saxophone. All right, then we got that. All right. Uh, I think that's it. We got support packs or something like that, or general. But I want to be able to upgrade cards too. No studio. And in this we have Russ as a card pack for 1 minute. Beast lore. We'll figure out. Then we got a deep focus for now. My hood on. Make love tonight. Mm. You want them to be flat array or arrays in an array? I'm not sure. I don't even know. I know array is a list, right? Array and list is the same thing. But I don't know what you mean by like flat arrays or arrays and array. Because I'm still trying to figure out. So I know I got all cards, and this would be, I guess, all of the card packs. But I don't even know if I'm gonna need this list because I'm trying to. There should be like the list for. There should be a list for the cards, all the cards that the player owns. But I was just over here thinking, I'm like, thinking I want it to be like a person that has like, so you pick an animal. Like I'm thinking of a story too to begin with. Like probably nothing too crazy. Just have some text up here. Like you pick an animal to rescue. Like you start off with a pack, and then you get random cards out of there. Maybe like a random 10 cards out of that pack, and maybe get like 5 from that animal pack, and then like 5 from the general. But it'd be random because I'm still trying to think. And then, but you won't be going against like other people that save animals. You just be going against other animals to tame them. Thank you. I think yeah, I might look like this all cards equals bear card 1. Okay. Bear card 2. Okay. Okay. And that will be rather than all cards equals bear card 1. Okay, I get what you're saying. Okay, I get what you're saying. Unpack an array in Python. Okay, bet. Okay. Poop you two? Is that how you saying that? Poop two? Appreciate it. I'm gonna look it up right now. See the documentation. How to unpack an array. Uh, Unpack list Python. Right here. Unpacking a list in Python refers to the process of extracting individual elements from a list and assign them to separate variables. This can be achieved with various methods. Basic unpacking the variables. The most common way to unpack a list is by assigning its elements to individual variables. The number of variables on the left side of the assignment must match the number of elements in the list. Okay, this is using like an F string. Let's see what we got here. This is using like an F string. A packing or the asterisk operation for remaining elements. Assign some elements to. Nested list. Oh, you have a list containing other lists. Okay, you can unpack them by the nested structure in your assignment. I don't know which of these, because like I said, I still don't even know exactly what I want to do for the game. So I don't even know like exactly what I'll be using. Okay, but I got this documentation up. Just want to make sure you're doing what you think you are. I appreciate it. Number list, 1, 2 list, yeah. Search how to unpack a list into another list. Mm, 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 mm. I nonetheless. Mm, mm, mm. So I'm probably gonna listen to another listen by now. Asked it. Okay. Oh yeah, that's particular. Fuck all elements into a new one. Yeah. Okay. I have to think about how exactly I want to do this for the car. I haven't even came up with all my cards. I'm just kind of just going all over the place why I can't think of certain stuff. Like so I wanted to have like 50 cards maybe. And this is just the practice to learn Python. While I'm doing other like courses and stuff. Like I'm doing 100 days of Python and Harvard's CS50 and another um course just to like drill the basics and learn it. Cause I think sometimes like when you hear even though I pretty much got like all the basics, besides like some stuff of course, because I haven't went over it at all yet. But I think sometimes hearing it from like different people or different people explain it kind of help you understand it better. I know that's how it's been for me so far. Like, oh, okay. Seeing this explained here. Mhm. Bear hug. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was just getting off soon too. 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Okay, we got 13 cards. 13. Oh yeah, I forgot about the dog. The dog card pack. Mm-mm. Appreciate you though. Said no way. That documentation wasn't very helpful. What I said is what you want. Oh, okay. What you mean no way? I'm doing too many what you call it? Too many courses at once. And then the dog pack will be the pack attack. I can't think of a name. I feel like that kind of sounds cheesy and corny. And I want every card pack to have at least about I average about five cards. So this the only one that has multiple cards. This and this here. Yeah. Oh, and of course the general. Um hmm. I also want to know if should I put like a defense. I still don't know exactly how I want to do even the game. You said no way for the stream yet? Yeah, I was only gonna stream for an hour. I'm trying to do an hour a day. I got like I haven't done any of the courses today. So I've only been trying to spend like a little time on this to learn it. 12 years is impressive though. Well, what is your feelings on like AI and stuff like that? I've been trying to use every resource possible to learn YouTube, but not just making like watching tutorials and getting stuck in tutorial hell. I've been using like I've started with like Brilliant and like I'm about to make a review on that probably tonight, which I think is just to give you pretty much the gist of my review. I think Brilliant is really good for like when you're super beginning and you don't like really know what's going on, and it kind of gives you kind of make it fun, kind of gamify it, and like you got different leagues and stuff like that. But I feel like I learned the most when I was doing katas. I think that's what it's called. I'm in like a group with a guy that's been he's been coding for some years now. He has like a group, so he kind of like a mentor, but we haven't done it in a while, and I feel like I learned a lot from that. More so than Brilliant, but Brilliant is like kind of kept me going. Like so, if you like nervous or scared of it, I think it's really good. Nested dictionaries might be easier to organize this. You are team AI, okay. You on AI team? Oh, okay. Let me. Well, being on finance and contract seems temporarily to help for the last 2 months. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying to code every day. Like my end goal is not really an end goal. I want to master it, of course, but I love to be work a 9 to 5 coding. Or even just like I know you need to learn coding, like the basics to even do like different branches because I want to study like so much stuff, and I know probably spread myself thin because I want to learn like cybersecurity would have like a million different branches, and I know like coding in general just have a million different branches, whether it's web development, app development, game. I'm just trying to just interested in all. You should skip organizer right now. Mhm. I still got a bunch of cards to make. Uh, nested. I'm gonna add that to. Let me Google that as well. Um, because I'm literally like, if you see, let me see if I can pull it up without hopefully showing any of my information. Yeah, I don't think it's showing any of my information. So we on like day 7. We've been kind of slacking on this, but like dictionaries are. Well, y'all probably can't even see the screen because it blocks. Well, you can't see the video, but you can see like where I'm at in the what you call it in the course. I know you see a bunch of like I got a bunch of windows. I'm trying to eliminate some of these windows too. And that's not windows I have even pulled up, but then I got more windows over here. What we doing now? Mm, 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 mm. Uh, hey, the dictionary Python. What are the benefits of a nested dictionary? Nested dictionary provide a way to organize. Okay, that's what you just said. And store a complex uh and Python by allowing dictionaries to be valued within other dictionaries, especially mirror real world relationships and structures. Benefits include representing layered information such as employee records by departments or product inventory by category. Okay. Okay. All right. Hey, BDM. Appreciate it, Ace. Thank you for the sub. I know we over here doing some coding. This ain't the usual gaming, but I'm locked in, man. I'm telling you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you. 17 months. Appreciate it, Ace. Hope you feeling good tonight. Like I said, I might run some more Fortnite later on, but I slept longer than like the nap was way longer than I wanted to be. And I didn't get any of my course done today. I didn't get much studying. But we did at least the bare minimum of spending an hour on um coding for this game. This game that I'm trying to use to learn how to code. Learn Python. Hey, thank you for following. Hoop, thank you for following. I'm time for you. Thank you. You've been very helpful too. Trying to absorb in all the information and learn and slowly just go. I recommend also looking at C programming if you're interested in cybersecurity. Okay. But it'd be best for me just to learn like the basic, like the fundamentals of like 1 or 2. Because right now I pretty much got this in in Java. Hey, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Stick with Python to start for sure. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to, and I know you could do so much in Python, so I'm just trying to learn that. Try to go harder than some days I just feel like you be feeling depressed because you ain't really making it far and stuff like that. And then like I've been slacking on my days and stuff. And I do gotta go for a walk and try to get some more steps in before midnight. And it's like 10:30 for me right now. I've only gotten 33 K steps, so I'm trying to I mean 3,300 steps today. trying to get back healthy as well. There's a lot of stuff I'm trying to do at once. I got like courses for so much stuff and trying to study and just learn as much as I can without like over studying because I know that's like a real thing because you won't retain like all the information or whatever. Or Java or whatever. Yeah, I think I got Java and Python, but I haven't started Java yet. It's like a let me see. Let me pull this up and let me pull this up on a separate screen just to make sure it won't leak all my information. Oh yeah, definitely would have leaked my information. But I'm doing a course. Is that how you say that? Intro to programming and Python and Java or something like that. So I got a bunch of stuff, videos, and I got a bunch of I take physical notes. And now my notebook is just on the side of my desk because I'm just doing this. Oh yeah, I mean down the line once you get your footing, yeah. I'm gonna try to learn it as quickly as possible. But yeah, definitely cybersecurity seems interesting to me. So I just love skills that are interesting to me. And then I got a couple books too. Coding. What book did I have? I got the audio book, and I think I'm about a physical book, but the physical book is like 50 macaroonies. I'm like, yeah, I might wait on that for a second. I like to try to have those physical. I got Hacking the Hacker for cybersecurity, and then I got what else I got? I had something what else? Somewhere in here. I had to look at it in a second. Yeah, so I got some reading to do. I got a bunch of stuff to do. Hey, come. More important than coding language, probably. Pick one and master it. Okay. And dabble in others, but you need to be super solid in one language at least. Okay. Cybersecurity requires so much more knowledge than just coding if you want to be elite. Yeah. Yeah, I heard about like networking and all that other stuff. But I know all of those are branches of like coding. Like you have to know the basics and fundamentals of coding to do like anything else, whether it's programming or like data analysis or even, you know, um cybersecurity. Like build your own X. I got that too. I have that. I have that bookmark. I think I have like 40 different things bookmarked for programming. Maybe too many to be honest. I'm trying not to spread myself too much and kind of stick with a good variety of things to learn, like I said, from different things. Cause I think if you learn from different people, different resources, one way you might not explain it, so, but another way you might explain it too. Unless, of course, somebody's just like a really good teacher, which all the programs I've been doing so far are like really good teachers and stuff. I have a bunch of different projects you can look, yeah, in different languages. Yep, I've heard about it. Like I said, I've been on YouTube, probably putting too many hours in YouTube and more. Need to put more hours in actually coding and more hours in actually the courses. But I kind of slow down on the YouTube uh specifically for that. Unless I see something, daily. I watch a little bit daily, but I slowed down a little bit. We all start at humble beginnings. Yeah, it's really humbling. Really humbling. Need a mentor for sure. Yeah, and just about anything in life, it's about connections, man. You know what I mean? That will help you a lot. Even like getting a job. It's about networking for So I'll be trying to go to some type of conventions if I can. You'll be all over the place. Yeah. So yeah, I feel like we're doing pretty good. We got like 15 cards. Still trying to think of different animals. I got a couple of here up here that I still don't even know exactly how I want to make my game. So I still and I really don't spend any time outside of the hour a day so far. So this is about like 3 days. I mean, yeah, so 3 days is day three. So this is about 3 hours because I don't spend any time outside of it. Even like and like I said, I didn't even know about dictionaries until I started this 3 days ago, and then uh I did it's a good YouTube video, bro code. So I just went to the dictionary section because I was wondering why it was all I had a bunch of this errors, but it was all I was forgetting the commas after each value or whatever. Okay, so what do we have? We got the dog pack. Okay, we got list for all the cards that'll be in that pack. We got general 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I like might be like I said 10 animals for now. And then get more. Maybe have like 60, 50, 60 cards total. So some of these packs might not even have. Then of course I can just keep adding on later. I don't want the project too big and never complete it, or just take me a long, long time to complete it. Just want to use this to learn Python a little bit more and kind of get something cool out. Uh, you would build a million cars in 2 seconds for testing. Start focus on game, not I will build game first. Okay. And then I still don't know exactly how I want to do it. I know I will need cars. I'm thinking like you like um you'll do encounters. Trying to think though how I want it. You'll do encounters with random random animals, and then you can like tame them if they low. Almost like that one game. Except for this would have cards. Pretty much like that one game that has like elements. And for the boards is crazy. Me included is wow. And for the boards as well. You sound like me with well done steaks. Oh wait, I can't even see what you said. Let me see. Hey Granny, how you feeling? All right. So we got the draw card. I don't even know what the next thing would be. Hey, Poop, thank you for the sub. Thank you. Appreciate it. For the tier 1 sub. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. All right, so when we even go from here? Let me say, okay, we got draw card defined. I know where would I want to go from here? I guess I got some choices, no? All right, I got the nested list saved so I can learn about that later, and then also got this was what the documentation. Well, it's not a. I didn't go to like W2 or anything, but for unpacking a listen to another list, this is popped up for me. But I'm still trying to think like how do I want like the game to play out. I diagram stuff out all the time before I code a lot of time. If that helps to visualize the flow of your program. Yeah, I think the lady in the course was saying that draw.io or something like that, diagram. I think I got it saved somewhere. But I don't I feel like I would not even know where to start. Yeah, I got 45 tabs for just coding alone. And I got other let me see. Uh, draw.io, is that it? Mm, yeah, I don't even know where I would start like with this to be honest. Cause I'm still like all over the place. I literally just like came up with the idea the day before day one. Like my son just picked like gave me an idea. I'm like, give me an idea for a cool roguelike games because that's like some of my favorite genre now. I'm like card based, and he's just like, yeah, card based taming with animals. Okay, I'm like, all right. And then I didn't think I put like zero like thought behind it, and then day one I just started kind of going with the flow and just coming off the top of the dome. And like I said, I don't really think about it outside of the 1 hour stream that I've been doing. Are you playing the game? Where's your main game loop? I don't have it yet. I don't have it yet. Um, I'm still trying to figure out like, all right, I think like okay, I think I want to start off having the player pick a card and you pick a animal and then you'll get cards out that pack and some general cards. And then I think like I want a little story behind it too, so I'll write a little something, but nothing too crazy. But then like maybe a plane, like maybe they were flying over a jungle or something, and their plane crashed, and they survived, and they chose to save one animal to like rescue an animal out of these, and that's the pack they'll get, and then um yeah, tame some type of way from encounters. And then when you tame, you don't get like the whole pack. Cause I wanna, and I'm trying to think like, will it have some type of currency? And roguelikes I know have to normally be like tough, like hard games, and when you start over, yeah. And like you said, I think I need to do like a or at least write it out like in plain English instead of like code right now. And still trying to think like still trying to think fully flesh it out the idea. Okay, you use a cell draw. Okay. Let me I'll search that up too. Look that one up. Mm-hmm. Draw.com. Okay. Okay. I'll play with these maybe a little later and see what's going on. They both look pretty kind of different. And then also I've been like chat has been today's been pretty quiet, but people been kind of helping me get ideas for these cards and just ideas for the game. It's kind of just making it with chat. Uh, you use it almost every day. Elite, if necessary or not. Product requirement, then translate to tech requirement. Okay. No, I have not. Object oriented programming yet. Nope, have not. I think that the course I have on I had a course for that too. And then of course I like I know algorithms a little bit more advanced, so I got something for that. I got something for algorithm and OOP right now, and then just like basic Python stuff. You create state machine diagrams, flow charts, etc. Okay, nice. Etc. I don't even know where I like to start. I feel it's very humbling to get in. Still trying to, and I'm trying to be used like I love programming too because same thing like with editing. I love like video editing too because that's my creative outlet. So like this is my like, but I'm not being very creative right now. My creative juices are not flowing. A lot of time I think of stuff off of especially for this. I don't know why. I'm more creative with video editing than programming so far, but I also been doing programming way less. I would step back and decide how you want your game to play. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out. I know it probably take longer if I'm just trying to code some stuff, and then I know it probably take longer because I probably have to go back in here and delete some stuff and come back and do all that for jumping in the code and loop. Yeah, well, I'm still trying to figure out. Flowchart can literally be like start here, action, branch, yeah. That's probably what I should do then. Definitely. This looks intimidating though too. Just like creating the flow chart. But like I said, my the teacher in the course I was, instructor in the course, she was talking about draw.io. But now you got a sell draw. Okay. So that's probably what I'll do then. Before the next stream, I'll try to get and it probably, like I said, change over time until I fully know exactly what I want. But I probably do some what you call it, some of these course and learn a little bit more, and then I'll try to do that tonight. Try to do a lot tonight. As it's gonna be a lot of work. One of the challenge and puzzle you need to overcome. Yeah, to grow. Yeah, I don't really look at like stuff as like a lot of work because I actually like being busy and I like the challenging. But it can, it could be intimidating, but I won't back down from it. You know what I mean? I could be it could look a little like scared, scared to get into even programming. A lot of people scared, scared to get into it. But if it's something, I really like, I'll definitely just do it. Or like, it's just gonna take me some effort for sure to try to learn these diagram programs. Which is probably not even that hard, right? I might just be overthinking it. I'm gonna sign up for it though, Then I got a master's degree in YouTube University, so whenever I don't know something, I will look it up and learn side by side and teach myself that. Or people got courses and all that. I'm not scared to like invest in learning as well. But I think I'll call it there and maybe spend more time trying to figure out exactly what I want to do and do some of this course so I can actually pick up the knowledge too of actually coding. You got this. I think you're approaching learning in the right way. Keep making stuff. Peace, please, man. Appreciate y'all coming through. And class, tonal state, etc. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm definitely open, and I'll definitely be taking notes. Let me pull up my note thing real quick. I had it up and then I reset my thing because my editing software was acting funny what I was trying to do. Okay. I got a thing literally just called thoughts, and then I got a idea for another game, but I'm just sticking with this for now. Um, and then what we got? Class, question mark. Um, state. But I appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for all the help today. Thank you for all the help, guy. Feel like we making a little bit of progress. 3 days, about 3 hours, maybe 4 hours, because I go a little bit over. Making a little progress. Still don't like, especially with no direction. Like you said, I probably need direction first. But I probably will spend some time. I'm gonna try to spend some time on this off stream so I can get the ideas and stuff together. And I'm gonna try to use these diagram websites and apps and stuff to try to figure out make like a roadmap of what I want to do and how I want to do stuff. Um yeah, I think I want to do that. And then I'll continue to study the course too. But I appreciate everybody coming through. But y'all know my slogan is always, as always, stay away from the scrubs. Y'all get them dubs, man. And never forget to spread the love. Hey, until tomorrow, God willing, man. I love each and every one of y'all. Peace.